This is what the palette looks like. I have to hold my brush this way in order to get to it. Today's video is a one color eyeshadow look. I am using the Cool palette from LA Colors. I will start in the brow bone, and it is a gray shade. This is the shade I'm using. Welcome to Makeup Without Limitations, where you will be uplifted and learn something today. My dad came to visit because my stepmom came up for her appointment. Thank God everything is still good, everything is working well, and I give thanks and praise to the universe. My dad is not getting any better with the dementia. He still remembers me, but the conversations we used to have whenever he visit, like we'll talk and he'll watch TV, we'll talk, or I'll sit and spend time with him. That has went out the front door. That is no longer happening at all. Please make memories with your loved ones, because memory loss steals everything. Memory lost steals everything. Simple one color eyeshadow look on hooded eyes. Very hooded eyes. Always remember you first. Love yourself plenty. Do not give up on yourself. If you have any problems that you think you alone cannot handle, please seek help. Help is always available. We just have to seek help. Now I'm just taking the brush and I'm just blending that one color eyeshadow look. Today's item is I express gratitude. I express gratitude. Always remember to give thanks. Always, always, always remember to give thanks, especially the small things we take for granted. Today's simple one color easy eyeshadow look. I use the gray from the LA Colors, and the palette name is Cool. I use this one right here, and this is what the look looks like. Today's lip color is Wet and Wild. I don't think they make this anymore, but this is what I have on my lips. My base is 365 L'Oreal Infallible Copper Press Powder Foundation. Communicate with me in the comments and let me know if you're enjoying the one color eyeshadow look. But you can do a simple look like this and get on with your busy day. I want to take the time to say thank you very much for watching all my videos to the completion. I appreciate you dearly. Always know that I care and I love you. Until I see you and you see me. Remember, gratitude is a very, very important thing. Take the time to give thanks. Take the time to give thanks. I love you, and I'll see you soon. Bye.